Hello students, welcome to our geography class. From last video we starting the lesson number 10 urbanization. The name of our lesson number 10 is urbanization. In last video we completed dialogue between a farmer, the name is Tatya, in a village, and his son name is Suresh is given here. Now let us start. Next point is geographical explanation. Last video we completed some question also. Why is Suresh thinking of going to the factory for work? What is Tatya worried about? What changes does Suresh think will occur in the village? What other changes do you think will occur in the village? Now let us start. Our next point is geographical explanation. You will notice that because of the factory near the village, the occupation of the people of village has started changing. You know student, when you notice that because of the factory near the village, the occupation of the people of the village has started changing. More and more people from outside come and start living in a village. Due to village has started changing. You will notice that because of factory near the village, more and more people from outside come and start living in the village. Transport, hotels, restaurant, messes, retail shops, medical services, etc. start developing. As a result, the basic structure of the village start changing. You understood student here? If the factory near the village, the occupation of the people of the village has started changing. More and more people from outside come and start living in the village. Transport, hotels, restaurant, messes, retail shops, medical services, etc. start developing in the village. Looking at our country, when we see our country in India, agriculture is the main occupation in rural areas. You know student, many rural areas, always any rural areas, main occupation is agriculture. And it's a lead occupation related to agriculture. A lead means related to agriculture occupation are being followed since times immemorial, but now various industries have started coming up in rural areas. Many industries have started coming up in rural areas. For example, factories, mills, energy plants, multi-purpose projects, etc. People come from the surrounding regions to work here, and thus the population of the village increases. In this student, population of village increases due to factories, projects, multi-purpose projects, mills. To fulfill their needs, other services also develop like medical facilities, food, hospital, recreation, etc. To fulfill their needs of their people, other services also develop in the village like medical facilities, hospitals, food, recreation, etc. The extent of the village grows and form of the earlier village changes. The Gram Panchayat providing public service to the village gives way to municipal council or municipal corporation. These bodies provide different basic services to the citizens like drinking water, roads, transportation, sewerage network, street lighting, etc. Besides these, other facilities like town planning, recreation facilities, recreation means entertainment, tourist places, parks, etc. also need to develop. Consequently the village transform into town or city. Think about it, which facilities are necessary to be developed in urban areas or fulfilling the needs of the population? Which facilities? In 1961, the census of the India has decided to define urban on the basis of following criteria. What is meant by urban? Decided by following criteria. More than 75% of the male working population should be engaged in non-agriculture occupation. Next point is the population of the settlement should be more than 5,000. The population density of the settlement should be more than 400 persons per square kilometer. The next point is try this. Using the statistical information given in the table below, draw a line graph of the percentage of urban population using computer. Discuss in terms of urbanization. After studying this graph, write the conclusion about urbanization in our country from 1961 to 2011 in your own words. Here series number, year, urban population in percentage and number of urban settlements. Try to complete the graph. Line graph. Here complete draw line graph of percentage of urban population. Next point is geographical explanation. Talking of the urbanization in India, the urban population has been increasing consistently from 1961 to 2011. From 1981, this growth was around 5.5%. Only but from 1981 to 2011, this growth was around 13.73%. This means that the urban population is increasing rapidly in India. Urbanization occurs because of many reasons. We will study some of main reasons.